We'll see. Oh, introduction I given, I guess. Anyway, let me explain from scratch one more time. Good. Let's open material. Yeah, let's move on. Let me give a small recap. Then I'll go back. Let me give a small recap. Almost 1 to 16. Let us spend some time. Okay? Yeah, good. The currently running topic is so called as a pandas. What is the topic name? Daniel, by using pandas, what we can do? Simple. We can do data analysis. We can do what, Sarji? Data analysis, actually. What do you mean by data analysis? Understanding historical information. Previously, what exactly happened, I wanted to know. That is called as a data analysis. Let us take your 10th class marks list. Where is the minimum marks, maximum marks, what is the total average, where exactly you passed out actually, that is a date, what is your hall ticket number. This is nothing but a data analysis. Actually. From chapter number 1, you should understand what is a pandas and how pandas works actually. Okay. And even from chapter number 1, you should understand how to install pandas. Any idea how to install pandas? Pip install? By install. From chapter number 1, you should get a clear picture. Would you have a data structures to do the data analysis? Would you have what, Saji? Data structure to do the data analysis. I mean to say, pandas having the data structure. Can you tell me? Series, data frame, panel. That's what. The next one, a single column data storage structure is called as a series. How to create empty series? Series with the list actually we have seen. Creating a series with array, I kept hold. Why? Because you should understand NumPy discussion actually. The next one, in a data collection, imagine there is a data. There is what, Sarji? Data actually. Missing data is a very common scenario. That missing values are representing in pandas by using none. By using what, Sarji? The full form for none is not a number. One more time. And the data type for none is float. One more time. Float actually. Yeah. Generally, if the data having missing value, we need to handle. How to handle missing value? Chapter number 12. Chapter number what, Saji? 12. Yeah. After none, the next topic is so called as a attribute. What is the topic name, sir? Attribute. So throughout the course, please make a note actually. Attributes and methods are very, very important. Good. Once we create a series object, once we create what object, Saji? Series object. By using that series object, there are two things you can access. First one, attribute. Next one, method. Attributes returns information about object. Attribute returns information about object. Do you want to know how many values would you have? Do you want to access a kind of some specific value? These are all kind of some attributes you can see. Do you want to access all values? Do you want to access only index? Do you want to access what is the data type? Attributes. Talk with me, sir. We covered these are all. And size also. Okay. Next one, methods. Attributes returns information. Method will perform an operation. Method will perform An operation actually. Operation we done. After that, I have started immediately. The discussion will be what do you mean by method actually? Head method, tail method, sum method. We seen these are all. Data frame introduction. So simple data frame is rows and columns, Archie. What exactly? Rows and columns. Let me take a seat. Still feeling sleepy. Yesterday complete rest, man. No office also. I kept leave. But the same vibes. Yeah, good. Data frame. Rows and columns actually. So you should understand how to create a data frame. I explained very clearly how to create a empty data frame. Data frame with single list actually. Data frame with the nested list. Right? Data frame with the dictionary. We covered these are all things, boss. The next one, Daniel, I do have a file, CSV file, JSON file, Excel file. That's still okay. If you are having a file, if you are giving that file to the pandas will give a written gift actually. What is that written gift? Data frame actually. As I told you, data frame, it is having attributes and methods. Attributes returns information, methods will perform operation. Now the next requirement. Daniel, there are columns. But columns are not in a proper actual. So it is not, the names are not in a proper. Can I update the columns? Can I change the columns? Madam, who can do actual? There is a method name is a rename. Chapane? Rename method actually. That's what we can do. Not only column names, we can update the index also. You can update what's Saji? Index also. That's what even we done. The next one, in place parameter. Oh, very, very important, man. In place parameter. Whenever you are calling rename method will create a new object. Rename method will create what such a new object. But Daniel, I don't want new object. I wanted to apply changes on original object. Go for in place. Go for what? In place actual. We done these are all. The next one, handling missing value. What is the next topic? Handling. So if anybody joined just now, the last, maybe yesterday, if I have taken at least 1 day gap actually, I would like to revise the total. It will be helpful for you. Is it okay? It will be helpful. Don't ask from Python also. The next one, handling missing value. Imagine there is a data frame. Inside the data frame, what it contain also we don't know. What it contain also we don't know. But our requirement will be, I wanted to check either the data frame having missing values or not. Right? First point, we need to check missing value. We need to check what, Saji? We can check missing value by using isNA method. What method? When you are checking missing value, if the data frame having missing value, we can handle. When you are checking missing value, if the data frame having no missing value, we need to handle. isNA method returns Boolean value, right? If it is having missing value, it returns as a true.
But if you are
Otherwise,
asking
false.
what to do when checking for missing values and
isNA
finding none,
method returns
the answer
Boolean,
is
but who need
you would
Boolean?
proceed with your
I
data
need column
analysis
wise
or
count.
modeling
Go for
data
sum.
as the data
Go
set
for
is
what, Sajid?
complete
Sum.
and requires no
df dot
imputation or specialized
isNA
handling
method
for missing
dot
data.
sum method.
You can
That's what
simply
you need to
note
be
that
understand,
no missing
right?
values were found.
Daniel, we
It
confirm
appears
there
your
are missing
sentence is
value.
incomplete,
It's a
but if
right
you
time
are
we need to
asking
go
what
for
to do
drop
when
an A.
checking for missing
What is the
values
method?
and finding none,
Almost
the
3
answer
methods I
is
covered, I guess,
you would
actually.
proceed
Drop
with
an
your
A,
data
fill
analysis or
an A,
modeling data
replace. One
as
more
the
time.
data set is
Drop an
complete and
A,
requires
fill
no
an A,
imputation or
replace.
specialized handling for
Through
missing
practice
data.
only, man. Daniel,
You
how
can
you
simply
remembered?
note
Only
that no
practice.
missing values were
If I
found.
then practice like only one time like you, I may not remember. I done number of times practice actually. That's what we done, handling missing value. The next one, LOC and ILOC actually. Daniel, I wanted to select the data. Yeah, there is one efficient way to select the data. LOC and ILOC. LOC and what's Saji? ILOC. ILOC, indexed based selection. Chapter sir? Indexed based selection. Indexed based selection. LOC, so label based selection. One more time. You guys kindly please walk through. I have called 4 syntaxes. How many? If you are very good in that syntax, then the total topic we can just try to cover actually. Filtering the data. Filtering the data. There is a data frame. Inside the data frame, I wanted to filter the data actually. Yes, you can filter by using Boolean. When I say Boolean, 2, simple condition, multiple condition. You can use single condition, you can use multiple condition. The next one, LOC, ILOC also I covered. What I covered, Sarji? LOC, ILOC also I covered. Filtering also done. Next one, sorting. What is the next one? Sorting. One small important point. To filter the data, there is no method. There is no filter method. There is no filter method. In Python, we have a filter function. Chappan sir? In Python, would have a filter function, but in pandas, there is no filter method. Please, there is a good little comparison actual. Sorting. A data frame having especially columns and index. I wanted to sort the data like a columns actually, sort underscore values method.